Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at the drum baffle on this Maytag front-load style dryer. To begin the repair, we must first access the back of the unit. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Now that we have access to the back of the unit, we do have two 5/16 that will have to be removed on the back in order to take the top off. Then slide back, start to wiggle it, pull off your top, and set it aside. Now that we have the top removed, we have clear access to the screws that hold our drum baffle. Now, if your drum baffle is starting to get reamed out, you may notice some of these might be wiggly because the plastic is just not anchoring as well. It may just be completely missing and you have to put one in. Either way, you can turn the drum to get it to where you need it to be. This one I'm going to choose right here at the top. I'm going to remove the first screw. Set that down. Now for the second screw, I'm going to put my drill on it. I'm going to hold the baffle. Take the baffle out, remove the screw, and set it aside. When installing a new baffle, you're going to want to put it underneath and make sure it's going the right way. In this particular situation, this is how I took mine off. Just make sure it's going in the right direction. Next, we will push it up and we'll start to see where it lines up. I'm gonna go ahead and get my screw ready. There it is. Cool. Next, the other one is pretty much lined up. I'm gonna gently anchor in. Tighten. Tighten. Now we can reinstall the top. When installing your top panel, you have two portions. This portion right here has little slotted areas that correspond with the UI console at the top, as well as the screw holes on the back. So put the portion that goes to the top forward, drop it in place. It should sit level. Push it in. Now we can replace the two screws. You may have to slide it back and forth in order for it to line up, but once you get one screw in, it'll draw the whole top in. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.